Hey beautiful people, so I am going house hunting right now in Florida. So I wanted to show you guys what they look like, just in case you guys wonder like what does it look like. Now I believe this house is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, but 2.5 bath home. So this would be like the living room right here. This would be the living room area. So like when you first come in through the door, I just love that the natural light coming in. But when you first come in through the door, this will be the living room area, you guys. And if you go right off of the living room, then you will see that they have a closet here. So I looked in here, already has extra storage. So I like that. I need to make that into a small little office, huh? And then if I go through this door here, this is the garage. It's so dark, you guys. They won't show. It won't work. It's not working so well. But this is the garage in here. Y'all can't see it, but it's like enough room to fit 2 cars in here. And this is our half bath right here. Now I don't want to say ours because I kind of really don't like the house. So I don't want to say ours. I rather stick to the one I already found. So, but this is the half bath with peanuts, so that's nasty. And this is where the laundry would be. And I really like that. But don't forget too, they don't have basements. So I guess it's normal to have the laundry right here. The other house that I'm getting, the laundry is actually in the kitchen already. And I have the video for that, you guys, but it's really fast. And when I move in, I guess I'll show you guys. They have a fireplace right here. In a small little room, ain't back up, you guys. See, I can see how, like, what are we, like, how are we gonna put the couches in here? Like, we're just gonna be eating them. This is like the dining area, you guys. Like, I don't know. They want us to do, well, I guess we had an eat-in kitchen, so we can decide. But this is the kitchen here, you guys. So let me back up so I can show you guys what the kitchen look like. So this is the kitchen here, you guys. So I'm guessing appliances definitely included. You have the refrigerator, you have the stove, you have the microwave right here, and you have the dishwasher. So you definitely, let me see right here. Oh, that's something just to, that's about scams. Don't try to rent this from somebody else on Craigslist because they do not rent on Craigslist. But this is the backyard. I'll show you the backyard in a minute. So let's go over here and look at the master bedroom. Now this master bedroom is so small, so little, you guys. But I like that I can go right outside. Being in my master bedroom, I really like that a lot. But I wish it was bigger in here. Our closet is really little too. No. But yeah, this is our closet and it's really little. And this is the master bath. Let me brighten it up a little bit for you guys. There we go. So this is the master bath right here, you guys. So we already have a tub like this in our other house. So to me, it's nothing too exciting. Like, ooh, I want to get this inside of the house. But hi, you guys. So let's go upstairs and look at those homes. Look at those rooms. Look at the rest of the house. Okay, so let me change my balance, you guys. So there's a kitchen again, fireplace, and let's go upstairs. So we go upstairs, we have to go this way. So let's go upstairs and see what's going on. So I don't like that they have carpet here. My little ones, you guys, messed this carpet up. Let's see, I haven't been up here yet. Okay, so we've seen that looking down. One of these kids don't think that they can just hop their little butt over and be right here, you guys. And let's see. So here is a bedroom here and the closet. This bedroom is really, really small. Like, let's look. It's really, really small. But let's look at the next bedroom. So it's 3 bedrooms up here, which I really like though. So here is the other bedroom, you guys. And the closet is here. That closet to me feel like the same size as my closet. But it's alright. A bathroom here. So this will be the kids' bathroom. Now remember, I only need 2 bedrooms for my little ones. I would like a 3rd bedroom so that they can have a play area / homeschool / teacher coming to the house, area tour. But this is the inside of this bedroom. But then I still need a bedroom for my office, which means that I will be right next door to these kids. And I don't know if I like that, you guys. I think the only thing that I don't like about this house mainly is, I think I would say, I wish another bedroom was downstairs. And I also wish that my bedroom was bigger. And they opened this up more. They should have just knocked this wall down right here, if you ask me. Let me make a little, so you guys can see. So I wish they would just knock this wall down. Because over here on the other side of this wall is the kitchen. And could you imagine them knocking that wall down right there? So when you guys go search for houses, find something that's like, I like open concept. I want to see everything. If they would have knocked this wall down right here, I think if they would have moved all this to the right side, I would have been okay with getting rid of that right there. Just knock this down and put more windows along this side. I would have been happy. Or even putting windows at the top over here. I don't know. Just knock it down. I feel like it's not enough room. And then like this space over here, like what are you gonna do over here? Like what are you gonna do? What are you gonna put over here? Y'all tell me what would y'all put over here if y'all had this area. Because Babe said he wanted to put a TV right there, and we got a TV right there that we can put the couches at so you can watch it. But yep, you guys. Do y'all hear that? Let me try to go outside. Airplane. Let me see if I can catch it. I can see it. It's gone. Oh man, it's gone. But we in the backyard. It's a plane. This is my 2nd plane I've heard so far, and I haven't been here that long. So this is the backyard, you guys. Now I do like this backyard because it's fenced in. Our other house is partially fenced in. It's not all the way fenced in, but I guess it's gonna have to do. They have a slab right here, so our patio set right here. So there y'all go, you guys. But as I start looking at more properties, you guys, I'm gonna definitely show you guys like what's going on out here. I'm going to some new construction. So those people that's interested in new construction, I want to go to some new construction. I'm going to look at those new construction. But don't forget too, I'm a realtor, and if you guys are looking, let me close this first. I'm a realtor, so if you guys are looking to buy a house, no matter what state you're in, I should be able to help you guys. So just go ahead, call or text me. My phone number is 833-Rickita. This is some personal stuff I'm on, trying to find somewhere for me. But I just thought I'll show you guys. So, see you guys later.